Hi everyone, welcome back to the Excel demonstration videos for BSB 1 through 1. I'm Will. In this video, I'm going to be taking you guys through how to set up real statistics on a Windows computer. Okay. Now, the first thing that you want to do is go to your favorite browser and type in real statistics into the search engine. And then we're going to navigate through to the free download link. Okay. In the Real Statistics resource pack, just select free download. Okay. Scroll down, and if you're a Windows user, it's this first link here, and Mac users are down here. But for Windows, we would like to select this option. Okay. Now, this is going to download somewhere. It's going to show up in our downloads folder. So if we navigate over to our downloads, right, what we need to do is we need to move this file out of our downloads and into another location, right? Now, it's good for two reasons. One is that Excel doesn't really recognize downloads as a trusted location. And a second one is basically that it's on a recurring basis. It's likely that you're going to go through and clean out your downloads folder. So it's a good idea to move it out of your downloads and into a safer location. So for me, that's just going to be in my documents folder. Okay. Now, once you've done that, navigate over to Excel, right? You're going to select File, down here to Options, and then we're going to select Add-ins. Once you've got add-ins open, select Go. And then we need to make sure that Solver Add-ins is selected. And Real Statistics is not going to show up here as an option for you. But if you go to Browse, navigate to where this file is saved on your PC, right? So for me, that's Documents. And then you select where that file is. Okay. So once you've done that, you should have Real Statistics and Solver selected, and then hit OK. Right. You should notice that it takes a little while to load, and then you'll know that it's loaded correctly if add-ins appears up here and Real Statistics has appeared in that option. Okay. It doesn't always appear in the ribbon, even when it is installed and set up. So if you would like to confirm that it is there, select Control M. So Control M, M for melon. And then if the Real Statistics window like this shows up, then you know that you've correctly gone through the installation process. Okay. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you're a Mac user, keep your eye out for the Mac video for this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.